Making compost materials needed a large container with a lid, water, organic waste, kitchen scraps, lawn clippings, leaves, etc. A straining cloth or fine mesh, a stirring tool, step-by-step guide to making liquid fertilizer. 1. Collect organic material, gather organic waste, focusing on plant-based materials. Kitchen scraps, excluding meat and dairy products. Yard waste like grass clippings and leaves, and even weeds can serve as the base for your fertilizer. 2. Prepare the container, place the organic material in the container, filling it up to about halfway. The size of the container will depend on the quantity of fertilizer you wish to make, but a standard 5-gallon bucket is a good start. 3. Add water, fill the container with water, covering the organic matter. Rainwater is ideal due to its purity, but tap water will suffice if left to sit for a day to allow chlorine to evaporate. Fermentation process, seal the container with its lid, leaving it slightly ajar to allow gases to escape. Stir the mixture every few days to oxygenate it and facilitate the breakdown of materials. The fermentation process can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months, depending on temperature and the materials used. You'll know it's ready when the mixture smells earthy and the solids have largely broken down. 5. Strain the liquid once fermentation is complete. Strain the liquid into another container, removing the solid waste. The resulting liquid is your concentrated liquid fertilizer. 6. Dilution and application before applying the fertilizer to your plants. Dilute it with water to prevent nutrient burn. A general ratio is 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, but this can vary based on the concentration of your mixture. Apply the diluted solution directly to the soil around your plants.